Somebody asked me, how can we build a relationship together as a family? That we're always very busy, everyone is doing their own stuff. The first response that I gave was communication. Even though you're very busy in your family, you must look for a way to communicate. If you cannot call, you can text, you can do voice notes. There should be a way. Look for that best way everyone can communicate. Make sure you have a family group chat as well, where you can also dump things instead of speaking to one person and the other, speaking to different people at different times. You can also open a family WhatsApp chat and you can communicate through there. The second one is plan meal time together. If you're working at different times and you're not able to plan it together, there must be one day in a week that you all can come together and eat together, because that strengthens relationship as well. And if you are a Christian, you can also pray together and study the word together. In the course of studying the word, you communicate. That also helps in building relationships. There are indoors activities and there are outdoors activities. There are so many activities there on the net. You go and check the one that suits your family. Do activities together. It may not be weekly, it may not be daily. You could just find a time that suits your family and you do something together. It's usually fun. I do some activities with my family and it's usually fun. Try and create activities. It doesn't come unintentionally. Time, we say we don't have time, but we can create time, is an intentional thing. Then the next one is outdoor activities. There are so many people, when you talk about outdoor activities, they say, oh, it's very expensive. I would have loved to take my family to travel out. You mustn't travel out for you to do activities with your family. If you have the money, why not? But if you don't, according to your budget, you can do something within. In that country where you stay, there are so many places you've not visited. You can start from the country where you stay. You can look for interesting places to go together and have meal together. It bonds, it builds relationship. Try and look for something. Like for my family, what we do is every Christmas, we all lodge in a hotel somewhere within the country where we stay, and then we enjoy it. That's an activity for us, and we spend Christmas together, play games. That's something that we look towards. When Christmas is coming, everyone is happy because we're going to be somewhere, we're going to do activities together. Look for something that works for your family. Is a very good one, and it builds relationship. Until to look at being there for one another. Try as much as you can, no matter how busy you are, to be there for your kids' events. It bonds you and them together. It builds relationship. Even for your spouses, events, try and create time. Like I said in my last video, time don't come unintentionally. It takes an intentional effort to create time. Try and be there for one another. Another one is try and once in a while eat outside, eat out. It's important that you have a meal time. It may not be all the time. You just look for one time, go to somewhere and eat together. It also bonds relationship. The kids look forward to it, and it's not going to cost a fortune. It's something that it's worth doing. I just wanted to add one of these indoors activities which we mostly neglect. That is cooking activity. You can do a cooking activity with your family. It's fun. I went to a friend's house and I saw them doing cooking activity. I saw this one adding the spices, this one blended. As they were doing this activity, they were interacting, and it's the interaction that brings the bond. So I really loved it, and I'm going to try it with my family. So you can also try that. It helps with interaction, it helps with bonding, and at the end, you taste the food and you eat together. Until I come your way again, remember, I'm still on that question that says, how can I build relationship or improve relationship in my family? There's one more activity that I do that is outdoor, that is going to church. The whole family will go to church and we listen to the same message. We begin to reason alike, communicate alike. It's a way of building relationship, and it's also a community support network. Your church is a community support network. So as you're building your relationship with your family, you're also building community support. If you're a Christian, you don't go to church, take the family to church and build that community network, build that family relationship. Also look at positive conflict resolution. Please focus on resolving disagreements. Don't dwell in them. Don't discard them. Don't pretend that it didn't happen, or don't fight over it. Focus as a family, whether between your spouses or the children, focus on resolving this disagreement. That is a good way of building relationship. If an effective way. Active listening. Active listening is a part of communication. So where you are connected, somebody is telling you something, please listen to their viewpoints, and please don't be judgmental. Listen to their viewpoints, connect with them. Not when somebody is telling us something, maybe our children, our spouses, and we're doing something else. We are not connected. We are not connected, and that can put them off. When somebody is telling you, it may not be so important to you, but it may be important to them. Listen to their viewpoints and contribute when you have to. Respect and expressing gratitude. It's so important that we respect one another, children and parents. What is not meant for parents alone. Children are also to be respected. We don't talk in front of their peers. We don't bring them down in front of their peers, in front of their siblings. We don't talk to them outside. There is a way to talk to them. Respect is, like the English people say, is reciprocal. Let's learn to respect one another. It builds or enhances family relationship. The other one is let's try to show gratitude. Whether we are spouses, whether we are children, it's important that we show gratitude. Take, for example, when we thank God, we believe that God will do more for us. It's the same thing with our spouses and children. As we thank them in little things, that will even prompt them to do more. Let's remember to show gratitude and to respect one another. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.